So today I'm going to Chicago. Then when I land, I'm going to take the train downtown, and I'll be staying in downtown Chicago for a couple days. My flight's only an hour and 30 minutes from Atlanta, so pretty quick. We were delayed for about 45 minutes, but the flight wasn't so bad. It was something with an air traffic controller. We were just sitting on the ground in Atlanta, but it was fine. I need to make my way to the train now. So there's two lines. The red one kind of is the local airport. This blue one right here will take me downtown. Talked with a guy, he said the metro area is this way. So my hotel's at the Monroe station downtown, and luckily this train will drop me off almost right in front of it, or pretty close to it. I think it's less than a block away from it, so it's pretty nice. So the cool thing about Chicago's metro is that it's actually above ground, so you get to see a lot of the city and a lot of the sights. Part of it's above ground, part of it's below ground. So you'll be on like this train just going by people's houses. Like, some stations are above, and obviously the one at the airport was below, but it's cool. Alright, so this is my stop, Monroe Station, downtown Chicago. At the end, there's people getting on the train trying to sell water and candy, but it was a pretty nice ride. During the hotter summers, they might be able to make some actual money doing that, but it's pretty cool here today, so probably not a lot for them. Alright, let me make my way up these steps. This is it. Welcome to Chicago. Chicago has a ton of theaters, but this theater is actually right next to my hotel. It's closed, but it's pretty cool. Alright, this is it. This hotel is very, very nice, but very, very dark. The thing I want to explore today is the Chicago Pier. It's about a 45-minute walk from the hotel, so from here, walking all the way over here. Weather is perfect today, around 80 degrees, nice breeze. It's the weekend, so hopefully a lot's going on at the pier and there's a lot to do. So the city of Chicago made a lot of the waterfront public parks, which is pretty cool. This city has such a nice skyline. Beautiful day too, which makes it even better. This is the waterfront trail, and it'll follow along the coast and take us right to the pier. The energy here is just absolutely amazing. So many people out. Just kind of took a break to just sit and take it all in. There's a lot of nice yachts, which I'm sure are not cheap. I don't know if the GoPro picks it up, but that dog's chilling in the raft. That Ferris wheel way off in the distance is the pier. Chicago, luckily, is very, very walkable. I'm gonna go across this bridge and then keep walking towards the pier. Just need to find where to get on it. I actually walked right past the entrance coming over here, so I gotta backtrack a little bit. There's so many people walking around doing stuff. It's really cool. Getting close. Almost there. Just gotta walk across the bridge. There's so many bikers out too, which is pretty cool. Seems like a very bikeable city. But you need to stay somewhat alert because there's people biking behind you and in front of you. The pier is directly ahead of me. This is an entertainment district, so there's tons and tons of restaurants and activities going on. Like, these people are just giving haircuts, like, stuff like that. I think there's a festival going on, too. I thought I saw a sign for it, but I'm gonna check that out as well. The feeling is just amazing. Beautiful weather, live music, which I'm hoping YouTube doesn't flag this video for, but it's just really, really nice. There's boat tours that'll take you, like, around the lake, too, which is pretty cool. But I mean, there's stuff going on all up and down the coast. I've just heard the most about this pier, but there's I think a museum, there's like a football stadium, and there's just a ton of different stuff going on. A lot of restaurants here as well. Some of them are pretty nice, just looking at them. But you have concession stands as well, selling like different snacks and stuff too, which is, I guess, nice for a quick bite. So just lots of variety. I'm not going to be eating here tonight because tonight I'm actually going to be trying some of the Chicago deep dish pizza that Chicago's known for. There's also a hotel here, which I'm sure is pretty nice as well. Looks like a lobster food festival is going on as well. It's tempting, but I'm gonna hold out for that pizza. It's a cool sailboat. There's a lot of boats out. So this is actually the end of the pier right here. So looking from the end of the pier back towards the city, you just have this incredible skyline. I'm gonna sit down, recharge the GoPro, then make my way towards the pizza place. Should be about an hour walk to the pizza place, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started before the sun goes down. But before I leave the pier, there's one other area I want to check out. I saw this walking in and thought this would just be an absolutely great place to get a view of the city. Man, it doesn't disappoint. Alright, here, place the order. Now I gotta wait about an hour to get my pizza. Finally got it. Gotta make my way back to the hotel to eat it. I'm lucky, my hotel does not seem to be very far from anything, so it's about a 10-minute walk. When I get back, we'll review the pizza and see if it's actually worth the $10. I got a salad as well, so I'm really hoping it's good because after traveling, walk around the city all day, I am absolutely starving. So this room actually has no ceiling lights, so this is going to be probably the most awfully lit pizza review ever. It's just lamps, so I don't know why. It's small, but it's like a little personal pizza almost. Here's my iPhone for scale, or iPhone 14, but yeah, it's pretty small. And here's the $10 salad that went with it. I got it just because I'm absolutely starving, but I just said salad, and this is kind of what the lady gave me, so I don't really know what to expect from it. It's kind of just a little bit of everything, I guess, but got honey mustard as well. All right, let's get into it. It's very, try and break it here. It's very cheesy, I guess. It's actually very good. I'm eating it cool down, but the crust is extremely good. Cheese is great, sauce is very good. Might be a little touristy priced, but honestly, I'd eat it again. It's pretty good. As for the salad, I don't know what's in this. It just seems to be kind of a mixture of everything. I mean, there is lettuce, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. Not too bad. Alright, that's going to do it for part 1. I'm exhausted after all this traveling, but tomorrow we keep going.